Alright, go. Oh, it's really windy.
It's out of control, dude. I can't even.
It's really windy right now, though. Oh, whoa, whoa, no!
Oh, no.
Wait, is this? Oh, okay, fell, good.
Oh, yeah. That was like.
Alright, go. Nice. Takeoffs are doing good. Oh. Hey, no! Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Go. Nice. That was pretty smooth. Oh. Hey, get it higher up. Get it higher. There you go. Whoa. Hey.
Let me redo that.
It's like going crazy. There you go. You can barely see it. It's kind of just floating there now.
Oh gosh.
Oh. Nice. Go.
Hey.
No way. Whoa. Where'd it go? Oh.
Okay, I'll keep it slow.
Sweet.
Oh. Finally.
No, after like 10 times it crashed.
Do a loop. There we go.
Yeah.
Nice. Get out of the way. So here's the tree takeoff. Oh my god! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Dude! Don't do that! Don't do that! That's not even. Let's do it.
It's kind of broken, but let's do it anyway.
Let's do it anyway.
Oh, I can't see. It's too bright.
Whoa!
Oh, whoa!
Oh, we're out of control. Watch out! Watch out! I'm upside
Oh,
down.
oh my gosh!
Oh no!
Upside down.
Oh yeah! Oh yeah!
Don't get in the tree again. Oh no! Dude.
I didn't know how to get up.
Dude, I don't even know where it is.
I'll get it. I'll get it. I know where it is.
It's around the side.
So now we're looking for the crashed airplane.
Search and rescue.
Yeah, search and rescue team. We call it the JCK, Jeff Cooper Keith Rescue Team.
Hey, keep an eye on where it crashed. If you know where it crashed.
I don't even know where it crashed.
You should have told us that when we
I feel like I'm in a rainforest. You get the picture. I have this thing. Go, Jeff, go. Go, take a picture. Of the plane. No, take a picture of me, Jeff, yeah.
Come look at it.
Take a picture of it off of the remote. Just watch out. Try to
Absolutely.
Well, we're further away this time,
What
so
a
just
silly
do
question.
light is parallel to the principal.
Shut up!
Off one.
Alright, here's a vertical takeoff. Oh. 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 Alright.
You want to try a vertical takeoff?
I'll try.
But you gotta just put the power on right. Flex. Hey, are you ready?
Alright, yeah. Wow. Jeff's in a stalker
Commando.
position. Oh, no.
Paparazzi.
Yeah. There we go. We got the crouching tiger.